Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're at the carving yard, just doing a quick video to show you guys my setup. I know some of you ask about the tent. Just got this burn barrel out here to to put in cutoffs, keep myself warm here in the winter. A little ways away from the tent, but it's enough to keep your hands warm. So just got this new tent from Harbor Freight. I bought two. I put two tent roofs up and one frame. The other frame is set aside in case I ever got to do any replacements. I'm going to spin this around because I'm actually using my phone today, and we'll go through and I'll just kind of show you guys what I've done. All right guys, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm not a framer. These could look way better, that could be straighter, there could, yeah, I know, I get it, okay? I didn't take my time on it because it's for me, and yeah, I just need it to last a little while. Anyway, so this is what I do, right? I buy two tents from Harbor Freight. Get your warranties, make sure you buy those. Take one tent frame out, put together the top of the frame on the ground. Throw a tarp over it, bungee it all on like you're supposed to. Throw the second tent tarp over it and bungee that one on like you're supposed to. So when you're done, this is one tent flap. The other one is folded up underneath. And there's two bungees, because here's one hole and the other tent one's there, right? Two tops. That's going to help with snow load. Just a little. Not a lot, but a little. All right, then you get you some 2x4s. Or 2x3s. I prefer 2x4s, but in the coal pile and the cheap stuff, I found 2x4s and 2x3s. So we did 2x4 uprights. Get some big cheap zip ties while you're at Harbor Freight. Get like 4 packs of these things. Do some horrible cuts and angles. Get a crappy piece of plywood that you can cut. Usually you want 3 squares that are 1 foot by 1 foot, and then you just cut a triangular shape. Knock the back of it off and then screw it in, right? So I do a screw to sink this together. I know, horrible joint. It's okay. Ha ha ha, we can all have a laugh. Then we come in here, do that. Now the top in my other tent is a 2x6. This time I had a 2x10 and I ripped it in half. This old piece of driftwood board, and I used that for my peak beam, right? Then you run these up, screw them together, run these up, screw them together, put some horrible looking supports like you're 12 building a fort, right? Another 10-year-old building a fort. 10-year-old building a fort. I know, I get it. Build beautiful furniture and then I build garbage like this, but it'll last for the winter. That's what I'm looking for. That's kind of it though. Now, as far as snow load goes, you have to stay on top of it, guys, when it snows. You have to. I do not have my snow bumper here, though, to show you. You know what? We are going to cut scene back at the other tent so I can show you how I bump the snow off, what I use. But this is the new carving yard setup for now. Quick little bench with some sawhorses. All this wood's going to get moved into the tent and restacked. So will this, so I don't have as much rain and snow and ice going there. If it's on the outside a little bit, that'll be okay. And, yeah, we'll be ready to do some more carving. Might also get that pile of smaller logs in the back, and we'll get these big ones in underneath so we can get them done. Same thing with these. I mean, the goal is I've got a truckload of logs waiting to be dumped off. I've just got to find some time so me and my brother-in-law can get them. We'll probably dump them. All this will be clear. I'll roll them to the back, and then as needed, roll them in that back open space, set them up, carve. Now, I don't know. In the spring, I may take some 4x4s or, 2x12s. I don't know. We might do something, right? And build an A-frame in here to help me stand logs up. That's what I'm thinking. Now, I'm not building a full building or anything like that. This is my buddy's property. He's letting me do this here, which is a huge, huge favor to me, and I really do appreciate it, man. Thank you. So we're not building anything permanent. All this can be taken apart, taken down, put in storage, set aside, moved to a new location. That is the nice thing about this. Plus, it's cheap, You buy 2 tents. If you're buying them on sale, you can get them for like $250 for 2. You go buy lumber in the coal pile. That's where it's like all jacked up. Or you buy it new, and you might be another $50 in wood, box of screws. So you might be $350 to $400 total to do this. And everybody will say, well, buy a better tent. Right, but you don't get the warranty like you get at Harbor Freight. The Harbor Freight warranty is 2 years. So when that top rips, take it off, take my poles down, take it back, they give me a new one, put it back up. So, yeah. Plus you got 2 warranties for 2 tents. Just the way I see it. All right, let's snap over to the other shop so I can show you guys the snow bumper. All right, guys, like I said, would be at the other tent with my snow bumper tool. This is it. An old handle from an old roof rake, so it's just like an aluminum pole, so it's lightweight. A chunk of pine, I rounded all the edges, drilled the hole 3/4 of the way into it, not all the way through, and then just stuck a bunch of Gorilla Glue in there and let it foam up. Get some snow on your tent, go out there and give her the old bumpity boo. Hopefully the snow comes off, you don't wreck your tent. If it's doubled up, it lasts way longer, like I was saying earlier. This is the carving tent you guys usually know, where a lot of my tutorials take place in. We did some remodeling, added this new shelf. There was a huge stack of wood here, which I pulled out. Put this new shelf to house the Halls formas on, and then a little bench where I can work on saws as well. I still have a lot of organizing to do. I gotta get all this other crap out of here. We gotta get, this stuff's gotta go. Gotta get this stuff and that stuff and all this other stuff out of here. So I'm probably gonna spend the rest of today actually working on that. And then I have a polar bear to carve. Should be a fun one. So we'll have a video creating that piece start to finish. Not sure if it's gonna be a tutorial, probably be a time lapse. It's for a customer, so I'll be working on that. This video is probably gonna be Friday. Hopefully Saturday I can get the polar bear done and have that video up for Sunday. So sorry about that. If you guys are still here, really do appreciate all of you. Appreciate my new members. You guys are awesome. You're helping support the channel directly. You're helping me out, you know. Doesn't seem like much, but it does help financially, and I really do appreciate you guys being members. So thank you very much for that. You know, the channel is doing great. It really has been doing awesome these last few months. It's just been growing in leaps and bounds. I think the last 4 weeks we had 600 new subscribers in the last 4 weeks. In the 4 weeks before that, we had 575 new subscribers. So that's been really awesome for my channel, and it's all because of you guys. You know, I really do appreciate it, and it's pretty awesome to see this thing grow. My other channel, Kyle's Chainsaw Rescue, that has just gone over 500 subscribers. We're getting close to 550, so pretty sweet there. Can't wait to hit 1,000 and you know, start getting the benefits and the perks of having at least 1,000, because you got to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a year on your channel in order to monetize and have YouTube pay you for your content. So that channel's well on its way. If you guys haven't yet, at least jump over, hit subscribe for me, help me grow that. Also, I mentioned it in the short leading up to this. The goal was for us to try and reach 30,000 subscribers before the end of this year, and I'll give away a brand new Steel MS 170. Now, I've got the saw already set aside, ready to go. I was thinking about it. Excuse me. I was thinking about it, and I think it's probably going to be more feasible for us to hit 20,000. I would love for us to hit 30 before the end of 2023, but you know, been thinking on it, and just the reality is I don't think that's going to happen. And to be honest, I want to give the chainsaw away at the end of the year. So let's try to hit 20,000 subscribers by the end of 2023, and we'll give it away. If we don't hit 20,000, then I'm going to wait till we hit 30, and we're going to have to wait that much longer. So I think right now we're only going to need like another 500 people to hit subscribe, and we'll be there, which we should be able to do. Yeah, so that's it though, guys. Quick update, see what's going on. I've got to finish, I actually got to empty out my truck and then clean up this area before I lose daylight. So really do appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching the channel. Check out some new videos popping up. I'll see you guys later. Bye.